Childhood wheezing awareness. Is your child coughing a lot or getting tired while playing? It might be more than just a cold. Early signs parents often miss: frequent nighttime coughing, shortness of breath during play, whistling sound when breathing, chest tightness or getting tired easily. Many parents ignore these symptoms thinking it's just a cold, but early wheezing can indicate asthma or other lung issues. If you notice these signs, consult a doctor.